My own realm is presently beyond my reach. So I will accept the crown of this one for the time being. Ah, the first of my new loyal souls. Come to me, and we shall return to Helheim together.
This is your glorious leader.
My touch will send the bravest of Asgardians to Valhalla. To resist is mere folly. You would flee your fate. No matter. Not escape. In the end, I come for all. In facing me. A trait I value in members of the Hell. I shall wear you down. Why delay the inevitable? You will be mine. My touch reaches all immortals. Mortals are mere annoyances. Memento Mori.
A lot of dodgy dealings going down on the dark side here.
About time you showed up. The Daily Bugle just landed its next big front page story. and we need somebody to take a picture to go with it. Toot sweet! Now, this is a hot scoop. I'm only gonna give you the details if you agree to take the job. So, you're just gonna stand there, or you're gonna pull out your little camera phone or whatever and do this for me? Good answer. Right. Let me tell you what I need from you. Fella from Sakar, one of the natives, I think, little bug-looking things. He's going for the Chronopolis world record for most laps swam around Kang Citadel. Pretty stupid if you ask me, but news is news. Give me a shot of that loser. You got that? Don't come back without that picture.
Straight out.
Lap 98? Was it? 97? Lost count.
Those gang announcements are getting on my nerves. Can't someone wage war on them already?
Okay. Definitely not.
Another crime, and this one's a doozy. Think you can get to it?
What, you forget what you were doing? Open your ear holes and listen this time. Fella from Sakar, that's it? That's terrible. I could have drawn a better picture with my eyes closed, my hands behind my back, and a wet fish instead of a pen. But I don't see any other budding photographers around here, so I guess it'll have to do. Now get out of here before I change my mind. Stop by later, I might have another job for you, if you're interested. And if I'm desperate.
Doing exactly what I'm told is just the best. It's just letting any old riffraff in nowadays. That place is really
Can't take the patriotism out of North America. That was definitely an infraction, right?
I can't use this? Well, nobody's perfect.
A most valuable item. I should take great care of it.
Captain Marvel.
I think you've made yourself a new friend in Noir. Somebody looks like they're waiting for a fight.
You there! Might thou assist me? My lady swore she would meet me atop my tower, but she is not the most capable climber. If thou wouldst assist her, I would reward thee handsomely. My love fares in her climb. She so reminds me of the heroes of storybooks, albeit more prone to falling. Looks sturdy enough for my love to scale. Not that it needs to be that sturdy. I wasn't implying anything.
Hast thou constructed ladders before, hero? It shows. Hello? Couldst thou help me? My love awaits me atop yon tower. I would climb to my love, but I fear scaling the tower due to earlier mishaps. If only some kind sorcerer could grant me courage. Are those platforms really the only way up? They seem unsafe.
That big sword that came crashing out of the sky.
I remember the first time I encountered one of these. It was back in med school. Or the Dark Dimension. One of those.
I did it! I scaled the tower! I am a hero! Oh, there's more. Oh, very well. Oh, a trellis of ivy! How classically romantic. I just hope it is stable. Do you think that ivy is safe to climb? Let us just say I've been burned before. I have reached thee at last! Quickly! We must away from this place before thy father finds me here!
My lady, to love thee freely will be my greatest honor. Hero, before we depart, I must repay thy kindness. I hope that this shining gold goes some way to expressing my thanks.
My treasure, remind me why we chose to rendezvous on top of the tower when our running away together requires that we descend the tower?
For my books, my love, of course. I cannot carry them all by myself.
As I told you, my moon and stars, I shan't be carrying thy books. My back is still sore from the last time.
Then let us simply remain here, my sunlit watermelon. I need nothing more than to gaze upon thee.